All right. You're gonna learn today.
All right, YouTube. So I was asked, can I do a video real quick on how to change the license plate lights for these vans? This is a 2001 B2500. This should be the same for all of these Dodge vans, 98 and up. These are the bulbs that I picked up. They're Phillips 168B2. Obviously, you don't have to use this brand, but I'll leave a link below in case you want them. But I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. It's very easy. A lot of times people are having problems because if you've had the older vans, you would have to take the license plate off. There's two bolts behind it, which holds the light in place, which is this. And then some people change it that way. But on these vans, you don't have to do it that way. Let me show you what I mean. Hold on. All right, YouTube. So here we are behind the bumper. Here's the license plate. This is the plug right here. So only thing you have to do is give this a twist like that. Pull it out. Now these are push-in style bulbs. So let me open up the pack and put a bulb in, and we'll put this back together. Hold on one second. All right, as you can see, the bulb has been installed. You just have to take it and push it in place. Now you just have to take this in, line it back up, twist it back into place. That's it. Now let me go turn on the light to make sure everything is working. All right, as you see, it's working. That's it. Takes 2 minutes of your time. 1, 2, 3, YouTube. All right, so on that note, I'll catch you guys on the next video.